everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed my previous video on CurieTech AI. Today, I'll walk you through one of the most exciting and honestly sanity-saving features, the integration test agent. Before we get into today's demo, let me start with a tiny confession. A few weeks ago, I had one of those projects that feels like a gym workout, except only your brain gets sore. I had to perform a full Java 17 upgrade and upgrade the Mule runtime from 4.0 to 4.6.0 across more than 200 APIs. Yes, 200. At one point, I honestly felt like APIs were multiplying behind my back. The regression testing alone was a marathon, creating Postman collections manually, checking flows, verifying error handling, and trying very hard not to cry into my keyboard. And the whole time, I and my team kept thinking there has to be a smarter way, some magical tool that just does all this testing for us. Well, it turns out that magical tool exists, and it's called the integration test agent from CurieTech AI. So let's see what it can do before I get PTSD flashbacks from writing 200 manual test cases again. Here are a few simple steps that can literally make your life easier. Step 1. Navigate to the integration test agent. Once you log into CurieTech AI, go to Test Integration Test Agent. You'll see two upload options. Select repo, upload code directly from an existing Git repo. Upload code from your local machine. Since I already have my code locally, I'll upload it from my system. Just choose your API project folder and upload the Mule application you want to test. Step 2. Auto-generated project skeleton. As soon as the upload completes, CurieTech AI automatically generates a complete test project skeleton. The API I'm using in this demo performs multiple SharePoint operations: get, post, file upload, delete, folder operations, and more. The integration test agent reads all flows, subflows, connectors, operations, and builds the perfect base for regression testing. Step 3. Add notes. Optional but powerful. There's a notes section too. It's optional, but I absolutely recommend using it. Step 4. Deployment options. You'll see two choices. 1. Agent deploys the application on CloudHub. Or 2. Application already deployed. For this demo, I will choose first option to deploy the code to MuleSoft CloudHub as my API is not yet deployed. While CurieTech AI prepares everything, we can relax and continue with our other tasks. Let the agent do the heavy lifting. Trust me, it's good at it. Amazing, isn't it? Not only did the code get deployed, but we also instantly received a full set of test cases for this API, ready for us to run, validate, and proceed with testing across all endpoints and scenarios. Step 6. Review the output once the task is complete. CurieTech AI generates multiple files. Postman collection, a fully importable collection with all flows, all operations, happy path tests, negative path tests, API test summary, a detailed report of test cases created for each operation. In my example, SharePoint file and folder operations, including all delete scenarios. Health check common flow tests automatically generated validations for health checks, error handling, status codes, common reusable flows. Step 7. Import into Postman. Let's import the collection into Postman. CurieTech AI organizes everything beautifully into folders: health check, file operations, folder operations, error handling. Every folder contains the exact test scenarios you need. No manual work, no duplication, no tears. Why this feature is a game changer. Honestly, I wish I had this feature earlier when I performed my runtime upgrade from 4.0 to 4.6.0 for more than 200 APIs. Creating test cases manually took so much time and effort. With the integration test agent, this entire phase becomes faster, automated, consistent, 100% repeatable across all APIs. This could have saved me days, maybe even weeks of manual effort. If you're performing a MuleSoft runtime upgrade, a Java upgrade, or simply need automated regression testing, this feature is an absolute must-try. Give the integration test agent a shot and let me know how it helps you in your day-to-day activities. Also, join me on an exclusive seminar on 12th December. We've got many more cool features coming your way. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more practical tutorials.